Assalamu alaikum. So let's talk about that license plate one more time without repetition. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places, and then of course once again we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 10 different items that can go in each space. Except this time we're going to talk about without repeating, repetition. You cannot repeat any of the numbers. Okay, so that means in the first place, I could have my 10, right? I can have 0 through 9. But then I've taken one of them away. It doesn't matter which one I've taken away. Now I have one less to put in that space. So instead of 10 times 10, I got 10 times 9. So say it just had a 2-digit license plate. I could have 10 possibilities in the first one, but then I only have 9 there. Well, if there's no repetition at all allowed in any of these 6 spaces, then I've taken 2 of the numbers. I'm only left with 8 possibilities for this next spot, and so on. Okay. So that is called, the fancy word is permutation. I'm not even going to get us to memorize that word. Just think about why this is. So this number is 10 factorial divided by, and we'll talk about what does factorial mean. Factorial means 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. 10 factorial times 4 times 3 times 2. So I have to divide by 4 factorial to get this would 10 factorial would be 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Well, here I've only got 6. I'm cutting off right here because I've only got a license plate with 6 digits. So I would divide away the 4 times 2, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So you can put this in your calculator like this, possibly, if you can find a factorial button, or you can just press 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 and compare that number to a million. It's a lot less license plates without repetition.